Carriers and drivers alike are facing serious health challenges with their employees, affecting insurance, injury, accidents, and retention. Many professional drivers with years behind the wheel struggle to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Driving requirements place them in a confined, sedentary position for extended periods of time. They have limited access to nutritious food and challenges getting quality sleep and exercise. This in turn leaves them susceptible to developing what we refer to as the driver condition. This condition consists of musculoskeletal problems, increased blood pressure and blood sugar, weight gain, fatigue, and become more prone to injury and accidents. It also may make it hard to pass the DOT medical exam. RollingStrong has created a solution for carriers and their drivers by providing a one-of-a-kind wellness program designed to keep drivers living well behind the wheel. With RollingStrong, drivers have access to a mobile wellness app that allows them to track sleep and nutrition, follow along with driver-specific workouts, and access media built to address the driver condition. The RollingStrong HIPAA-compliant platform allows drivers, fleets, coaches, and health partners to interact in a social community. The driver's personal information is private, but they can friend people and compete to earn points and rewards for making healthy choices. Driven by competitions and rewards, companies can now impact the health of their fleet by using a gamified and intelligent communications tool to drive program engagement. This RollingStrong program has been proven to greatly improve driver retention and safety on the road. If your fleet is ready for a real solution that will help you retain drivers, reduce turnover, and help your number one asset return home safely to their families, then visit RollingStrong.com to get started.